where the quiet waters go. Through stone and pine they weave a song the earth believes. Flowing, flowing, always free, a stream that sings to the tallest tree. Flowing, flowing, never still, a dance of life on every hill. The breeze hums through the air, nature's hymn without a care. The sun dips, shadows grow, yet the stream will always flow. Ripples soft on mossy bed, whisper secrets unsaid. Under moonlight's gentle gaze, the stream moves on through endless days. Flowing, flowing, always free, a stream that sings to the tallest tree. Flowing, flowing, never still, a dance of life on every hill. So let it carry dreams untold, through valleys green and mountains bold. The mountain stream will always show the peace that only nature knows.